Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make wish list on Etsy. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, you're gonna open up your Etsy app and we're gonna simply go ahead and go to the home section. This is how the originally app will be opened, as you can see over here. Right, so afterwards you're gonna be going to your gift section. You can see in the middle. As soon as you go over there, you will find this particular gifts available, and if you try to simply, let's go ahead and go to your category and tap on this little like icon, so it will be on the favorite. You can see, and your collection is at the bottom, which is private, and your gift list is on top. You're gonna tap on this new, and you're gonna add that product with a new listing, or you can again tap on this save icon and choose the same listing of yours and can add the product in. Now if you want to create, then you can tap again, tap on new, add in the title, tap on create, and I have created. I can tap on it and you will be able to check out your particular product that you have created. Now if you go back, right, this is how you will be able to check it out. Now if you go back, and you can again tap on it and again tap on this random product to save on, and if you go at the bottom in your collection, you will be able to find all favorites in your collection. And when you are in the favorite item, you will also be able to check out. You can tap on plus again, create again, and that is how you will be able to create yourself a list, and that is how you can check it out as well. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.